Righto, Toyota champs, and today we're going to have a look at an RTX 3080. Well, we've already seen these before, haven't we? This one is different. This is a 12GB RTX 3080, pretty much how the RTX 3080 should have been. And in particular, this is the ROG STRIX gaming graphics card. This is the best RTX 3080. This is the OC version, the overclocked one. These, of course, are low hash rate cards, and it's pretty much the same as the last Strix other than 12GB of memory. Now, because it is a Strix, you get the Aura Sync, and that Aura Sync, if you have all ROG stuff or Asus stuff, it all syncs up perfectly, that RGB, nice. You get the best cooling, they're very quiet, they have fan headers on them so you can connect it to your fans. So when your GPU heats up, your case fans can kick in. So I thought I'd unbox this thing, and yeah, it pretty much looks like any Strix you're going to get. I actually do wonder, will they have the white one? Because I myself use a Strix. I have a RTX 3090 Strix, the white one, baby. That's the way I roll. Tell you now, it's the best GPU I've ever had, without a question. And hopefully you'll be able to get one of these things. 3-year warranty. There is one thing in that box, you get that ruler, right? Woof. That ruler is to measure the thickness and girth of it. You know what I mean. But yeah, this is nearly a 3-slotter. Just say it's a 3-slotter. Basically is. Of course, HDMI 2.1, you get 2 of those, and of course DisplayPort as well, 3 of those. And if you want the best RTX 3080, this is it. Now, in the comments, what do you want me to test on this thing? I mean, basically it's a 3080 with 12GB. It'll be very interesting at 4K. Does it make a difference? I guess we'll soon find out, but do you want me to test anything on this thing? Do you have any hopes of getting this? Do you think these will be readily available for anyone to buy? I guess now they've got an RTX 3090 Ti, there's a lot more SKUs. Maybe there is a better chance you can get one of these RTX 3080s. Now, when I test it, should I pair it up with a 5950X or a 12th gen CPU? You can decide. I'll definitely be connecting it to some laptops as an eGPU. The only thing there is it has 3 pins, okay? So I have to actually use an adapter for my eGPU because it only supports 2 8-pins. So there it is, the RTX 3080, the way it should have been, and this is the best one you're going to get. Catch you in the next one, guys. Let me know what you want tested. Tally ho.